Here I have my phone Go, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by choosing the screen that you want to simply capture. So in my case it could be the calendar. Let's assume that I want to save the following screen, so all I have to do is use this combination, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as the device shows you the following animation, and let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down, and as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. If you would like to share your screenshot, edit or delete it, you have to open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the upper bar and tapping screenshot captured. You can also accomplish that by using the apps icon. Then from the list of settings, let's find and select the gallery right here. Tab allow gallery to access photos, media, etc. Let's choose the screenshot folder. Let's choose your desired screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.